오랜만이야 10년이면 강산도 변한다던데 넌 말이야 얼마나 많이 변했을까 궁금해 기억을 잃어버린 도리에게 사랑이란 그저 fantasy 그래도 한땐 01243 둘밖에 없던 멜로드라마 주인공 자체 꽃길에 나란히 걸었지 노을이 지는 언덕 위에 우린 사랑을 나눴네 지금 너를 다시 쳐다보니까 어릴 적 우리가 떠오르잖아 내 손을 잡고 올라타 You're my time machine 널 보니 그대로 돌아가게
Annual meeting with Marin. A gift from Marin. my favorite. Yay! This is like the new one, the triple matcha thing.
It's very intense though. It's like 3 layer of matcha. I like the grape one better. The grape one was still the best.
This is my all-time favorite. So it's cloud mango, but no tea and no cloud, just pure mango. It tastes like the mango smoothie that I always have in Thailand. So I love it. Cheers!
Hi guys, I just got back home and this is my new haircut. What do you think? Before I get back to work, I just want to talk about our today's sponsor a little bit, Linjer Jewelry. They are actually the first sponsor of my channel. It's still insane for me to say that this is our 5th collaboration. So grateful for the opportunity that the brand gives to me. And this couldn't happen without all of your support. Since I have been doing a pop-up cafe with Pack, I have met a lot of subscribers who came to me and said that, oh, they actually came to the pop-up because they watched my video and they enjoy watching the videos. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much. If you are interested to purchase Linjer Jewelry, I will link everything down below, including the promo code and every pieces that I pick.
어릴 때 원했던 어른이 됐나 Thought I found oh she's mine 놓칠까 달렸던 나
You are one pack?
Let's just take it slowly 늦은 어떤 때 같은 곳을 바라보고 있잖아 Go anywhere you want to Underneath the pressure oh sometimes wish I knew it too Fly away from tomorrow 이제는 너무 멀리 와버렸던 거야 내게로